was making it Bitcoin miners such as Marathon, Digital Holdings Inc., and Riot Platforms Inc., already among the biggest beneficiaries of this year's resurgence in the largest cryptocurrency, are getting an additional boost from the frenzy in non-fungible tokens in recent weeks. And the revenue for all miners on the blockchain has already risen by around $62.5 billion in the fourth quarter, as fees paid by users minting the so-called inscription spike, according to crypto data analytic firm Coinmetrics. That's the highest level of revenue since the first quarter of 2022, the firm said. The inscription technology is being used to create the Bitcoin-based NFTs, which often trade at a fraction of a cent, on a bet that the resurgent speculative mania gripping the crypto world will quickly lead to outsized returns. But publicly traded miners, which often serve as a barometer of industry sentiment, have outperformed Bitcoin this year, with optimism growing that the likely U.S. approval of an exchange-traded fund holding the cryptocurrency will bolster overall demand. This is a notable departure from past waves of fee market mania, where record-setting fees were directly linked to record-setting Bitcoin prices, said Parker Merritt, solutions engineer at Coinmetrics in Boston. The mining subsidy, a fixed amount of new Bitcoin released from the blockchain periodically, and transaction fees are two major sources of revenue for miners, which use power-hungry specializing computers to validate transactions on the blockchain. The subsidy usually contributes to the vast majority of mining revenue, but the surge in Bitcoin-based NFTs has caused congestion on the Bitcoin blockchain. It's pushed its users to pay miners higher fees to get their transactions finalized ahead of the others. Transaction fees in the current quarter have reached the levels that haven't seen since early 2021, right around the time Bitcoin first breached $60,000 Bitcoin, which has rallied more than 150% this year, traded at around $42,000 on Tuesday. Marathon shares has surged more than 500% in 2023, while Riot has jumped almost 400%. Bitcoin miners have earned about $170 million in transaction fees in the form of the digital asset this month, making up 20% of the total mining awards as of December 18th, according to a report by crypto mining researcher MinerMag. The miners have made $328 million from the fees so far in the current quarter. Coinmetrics said inscriptions, also called Ordinals, are a new class of NFTs made possible through the protocol Ordinals created by Bitcoin developer Tessiro Dharma. They became one of the most popular Sense digital assets in early 2022, as the tokens are minted on the Bitcoin blockchain as opposed to its rival Ethereum, which has been the largest platform to create and trade NFTs. And these protocols are being released at breakneck speeds, with token minters eagerly bidding on block space to get in on the ground floor of new vehicles for speculation, Merritt said. While inscriptions have brought a windfall for miners, high-profile Bitcoiners such as Adam Back argued the large amounts of data required from your inscriptions on Bitcoin could crowd out financial transactions on Bitcoin and derail the blockchain's mission to be a decentralized peer-to-peer payment system. This technology, which enables digital representations such as images to be included in a blockchain, has gone beyond Bitcoin, as other blockchains like Avalanche experienced congestion due to the proliferation of such NFTs on the platforms